Hey brother, welcome back to my channel. What I am going to be doing in today's video is going through the products that's selling really well right now on eBay. These strategies will help you to find hot products to sell on eBay and make money online fast. So make sure you watch the whole video. You are definitely going to learn a lot in terms of what you need to look out for. Before we start, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification so don't miss out any of my future videos. And don't forget to make a quick like and make a comment below. Let's get right into the video. I am going to show you a product that's selling really well right now on eBay and make money online. It is and simple. I'm gonna go through my 3 steps. So the first thing that I do is go over to eBay. Second thing I do is go over to Turaback. I use Turaback to check the sales rate, and then the third thing I do is go over to Alibaba to make sure that the product is available for us to import. And it's a very useful method of checking if our product is doing well. So I am going to explain that in a bit more detail with this product. Bear in mind that this product is selling well right now in eBay. You are most likely going to have success with and make money, but you need a deep price, and it's depending on how you market it. So let's jump into the video. So the product that we are looking at is a digital furniture lever. This the product that we can start with. What you need to do, you need to go over to purchase history to see if this product is selling every day or not. So what you need to do is click on sold here. This product has sold 2k sold. What you need to do, you need to go over to Turaback to check the date. So let's jump onto Turaback and you need to type in digital furniture lever. As you can see here, the sales rate is not bad. It's 20%. It's slightly better, and as you can see here, the total item sales is $90,000 and total sold is $8,000. I think you can use this product and make money from a lot of money from a scroll down here. As you can see, this seller is made over $5,000 and here is a seller made over $3,000. Now what you need to do, you need to go over to Alibaba.com to know if we can use this product or not, and to check if it's available for us to import or not. Let me go over to Alibaba.com to check if it's available or not. So I have just jumped over to Alibaba. As you can see, it's available for us to import. Here this seller has been there for 1 year, and here for 1 year to 2 years, 16 years. I will pick this one here. And you need to pick the seller that has been on there for almost last 5 or 4 years. As you can see here, this seller has been on Alibaba for almost 16 years. So this particular product is selling really well on eBay. This product is available for us to import. Now let's move to the second product. The product is a flashlight. This is what the product looks like. Now we need to check if this product is selling really well or not. So let's check the sales date. As you can see here, 6 sold. Now you need to click on here sold to know if this product is selling really well or not. You are most likely going to have success with this particular product and make a lot of money from it, but you need to have a deep price. After that, what you need to do, you need to go over to Turaback. Now I have just jumped on Turaback and you need to tab in flashlight. As you know, we need to select new and fix the price and best of accepted. As you can see here, the sales rate is 4%. I know it's not bad, but just we need to try. And as you can see here, the total item sales is $708,000 and total sold is 85k. I think you can use this product, and you need to know something that the market is really big. Now you need to scroll down. As you can see here, the seller made over $5,000 in revenue from one product, and I'm sure that he's got multiple other products. We need really to start with this one here. So let me just click into his store and check exactly what other products he's selling. He's got other products, as you can see here, which means that every single month he's making a lot of money. This just show you the power and the potential of eBay. So if you start a business on eBay, you might be able to make a lot of money. Now what you need to do, you need to go over to Alibaba.com to see if we can import this product or not, and also to see if it's available for us to import. The product is available, as we can see here. So this supplier has been there for 5 years, and here this supplier has been on for 30 years, and here 7 years. As you know, you need to pick the seller that has been on there for almost last 5 or 4 years. So as you know, you will pick one, and after that you message him and select what you need to do and select what you need from him, and that's it. I'm going to show you a product that's selling really well right now in eBay. I'm gonna go through my 3 steps. So as you know, the first thing is go over to eBay. Second thing, I go over to Turaback. I use Tropic to check the sales rate, and then the first thing I do is go over to Alibaba, check if I can import that product or not, to make sure that the product is available for us to import. I want you to know that eBay has added a new feature into Tropic. I'm going to explain that in a bit more detail with this product. I just want you to know that will help you to grow on eBay. This feature used to be available for us to use. Bear in mind that this product is selling well right now on eBay. You are most likely going to have success with it. Depends on how you market it. So let's jump into the video. Let's jump right into the video. The product is hair clippers. It's gonna be easy for a lot of beginners that want to get started on eBay. As you can see, he sold over 900. What you need to do now is click on to solve to know if the product is selling really well or not, and to know the last 100 transactions, and to know if you can make money from it or not. And I'm telling you that this product is selling really well on eBay and you can make money from it. It's easy and simple to start with. This product is a product that's definitely selling well right now on eBay. Now you need to go over to Tropic. It shows you the selling through rate for any particular product on eBay, and after that I'm going to go over to Alibaba and see if it's a product that we can even import. Let's go over to Tropic. Okay, so now what you need to do is go to Tropic and search for hair clippers. I have just typed in hair clippers. I have selected new and fixed price and best of accepted. The reason why I selected these three things is because we are going to be selling new items. We only want to find the date for new items, so now I have typed in hair clippers. As you can see here, the sales through rate is 20% with a total monthly revenue value of $800,000 and total sold is almost 60k. So this product is definitely selling well, and you can start with this product to make money from home, or you make a lot of money. So it all depends on how you are going to brand your store around it, how you are going to market the product. So now you need to scroll down. As you can see here, the seller has made over $14,000, and here is a seller made over $8,000 from this one only. So much money you can make here. And here is a seller made over $11,000. It will be easy to start with this product and make money. Now what you need to do, go over to Alibaba to see if the product is available for us to import. Now let's go over to Alibaba.com. Now you need to type in hair clipper. As you can see here, the seller has been on Alibaba for almost 2 years, and here is a seller has been on there for almost 7 years. So I would advise you to go to this supplier like this one here, and as you can see here, it's easy to start with and make money from it. Just you need to start, you need to brand your store now and start with this product. That's the end. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification so don't miss out any of my future videos, and don't forget to make a comment below. Stay safe and